Alright, so here I have a Carrier Comfort and a Rheem Value Series heat pump running in heat mode. There's a Copeland Emerson scroll. There's a Brado shift fan motor. There's a reversing valve. It's 2019. It's a 2-ton. It's very cold. It's very hot. There, that's the Carrier. Here's the Rheem Value Series. It's a Copeland Emerson scroll. Has a Protect motor. There's a reversing valve. It's a Rheem 2014 3-ton 13 PJL. Very hot. So yeah, here are these two things running in heat mode. So yeah, and this Carrier is actually kind of frozen, as you can see down here. Got a good bit of frost, and on the inside as well, right there too. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.